Hello everyone. Let's talk about the question of a simple interest, and it is given like, let's read the question. With a given rate of simple interest. So we are given some rate of interest, but the rate of interest is not defined. मेरे को value नहीं पता है. 3% है, 4% है, 5% है, कितना है? ये नहीं पता है मेरे को. Okay. And the ratio of principal and amount for a certain period of time is 4:5. And there is a ratio given between principal and amount which is 4:5 after certain period of time. So time भी मेरे को given नहीं है. Let's suppose 10 साल 5 साल या 50 साल, I don't know, let's say t time. Okay, and the ratio is given like 4:5. But after 3 years, तो वो जो टाइम था उसके 3 साल बाद, तो मान लो पहले 10 साल था, तो 13 साल बाद what will happen is, with the same rate of interest, the interest rate will remain same. The ratio of principal and amount, तो amount और principal का पहले ratio था 4:5 और अभी हो गया 5:7, and you need to figure out the rate of interest. So let's talk about the question how we can solve it. Okay, let's assume if the principal and amount has a ratio of 4:5, so let's suppose principal is 4x and amount is 5x. Okay, let me write it for you. So write like, let the principal and amount let the principal and amount be 4x and 5x, right? 4x and 5x. Okay, now so we have done till here, right? At this point of time we have a ratio between principal and amount be like 4x and 5x, and now if I move further more 3 years, the ratio is given like principal and amount ka 5:7, right? So what will I do about that? Let's think about that. Okay, so I'll be like ki principal, obviously the principal will remain same. Whenever we talk about simple interest, the interest remains same all around the years, right? Throughout the years or throughout the months, right? Because it only applies on the interest, and principal, it only applies on the principals, and principals remain same in all the cases, right? So obviously the principal earlier was 4x. Even now after 3 years, the principal will be 4x. But if I talk about the amount, obviously it will change. Okay, so I know that earlier it was 5x. Earlier it was given as like 5x. But obviously now it will get interest. It will get interest of additional 3 years. So I'll add the interest of additional 3 years. Okay, so I'll write like this. So I'll be like the principal is 4x, and you'll get like the rate of interest like r%, and you'll get interest for more 3 years, right? You'll get interest for more 3 years, and for this the ratio is given like 5:7. The ratio is given like 5:7, and we all are asked to find the rate of interest, which we can easily solve from here, right? So let's just solve the question. See, first I'll try to take common x in the denominator. Okay, and how can I do that? See, 4x will remain 4x, but here if I take x common, on the first part 5 will remain same, and on the second part, obviously if I take x common, it will like 4 3s are 12, r upon 100, right? And this will be equals to 5/7, and obviously I can cancel out x by x, right? Now it's obviously get very simple, right? So just take it to the numerator and take it to the numerator as well. Okay, so 7 4s are 28. When multiply 5 by 5, obviously it will be 25. This 5 when gets multiplied by this 5, because of distributive property, it will be 25, right? And when this 5 multiply by 12r upon 100, see, it will multiply like this, 12r upon 100 and multiplied by 5. Okay, so how will I write that? That's the question. See, you'll solve it like if you take 25 there, obviously it will become negative. So 28 में से 25 if you reduce it, that will be 23, right? 3 आ जाएगा वहाँ पर. And obviously if you solve it here, obviously 12 5s are 60, right? So it will, zeros will be cancelled out by 0, it will be 6 by 10, right? And if you cancel it out by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, and this is like r. So just need to do the simple step, okay? Just cancel out 3 by 3, and if you take 5 over there, it will look like r is equals to 5%. So that's how you can solve this question. It was not that difficult question, right? काफी आसान question है अपने आप में. फिर भी, even if you have any sort of doubt in this question, you can surely comment me in the chat box and I'll surely try to help you. Okay, everyone? Thank you so much. Have a very good day ahead.